You don't know what I've been through, so who are you to judge me? Still don't know if I believe there's anything above me. I've been on for so long, wanna feel something. Looking at me, I don't like who I'm becoming. I don't know my place, I don't lost my way, but I won't break. I don't know my place, I don't lost my way, but I won't break. You still hear every word that they say, but these days they ain't making no sound. You still have me thinking I'm crazy. Wish I knew then what I know now. You still have me thinking I'm crazy. Wish I knew then what I know now.
Know how to circle out, know how to move when they doubt, know what to choose when I'm moving around. Say you through with them clowns, but you still fucking around with them. Every now and then in my DM, see the different cars I be in. Most of the time I just be with them once and don't call them again. But for you I play it safe, don't know why. I ain't used to using brakes. Once I close the door you can't escape. Putting KK in a plane, different strains, got her feeling different things. Niggas talk, still ain't the gang. I like bigger planes, glasses of gin, bottles of champagne, diamond chains, bitches know my name. Is you leaving or staying?
You hear every word that they say, but these days they ain't making no sound. You still have